this is another elevator at the Howard Johnson. This is a Northern. Has EPCO Circle Line, but this one is Montgomery Interlock, so 6. Here we go. Epic motor. This thing is a hydraulic. 6. Okay, lobby. Nice elevator. Not bad. Capacity is, I believe, doesn't say anywhere, but I think it's, doesn't say the capacity anywhere. There's no licenses in here. There's a phone. Actually, I'm going to end on 2, so I can get to the other elevator here. Door closed works. I like that. We are 2. These elevators used to have the rustic interiors like the ones at the Travelodge. There it goes, and that's it.